Hello students. So in the previous video we discussed about the introduction and summary of the poem A Photograph. Now let's revise it in detail. So it is written by Shirley Tolson and we have known about the poet in the previous video, so let's directly come to the explanation. These are the beginning four lines of the poem. The cardboard shows me how it was when the two girl cousins went paddling, each one holding one of my mother's hands, and she, the big girl, some 12 years or so. You can see the picture. So, like this, three girls went for a beach holiday. The girl who was in center was the biggest one, you can say, among the three, and this big girl was the poet's mother. So she says that she has seen this photograph which was pasted on a cardboard, and this picture shows her how two girl cousins went for paddling at beach, and how these two small girls were holding one of my mother's, means poet's mother's, hands, and she means poet's mother, the big girl, who maybe was at that time 12 years or around. All three, means all the three girls, two cousins and poet's mother, stood still to smile through their hair at the uncle with the camera. So they had gone with an uncle, and the uncle was taking a photograph with his camera, and the three girls, two cousins and poet's mother, they were standing still to smile through their hair. Because of air, their hair were coming on their face and they were smiling for the photograph, posing, you can see. A sweet face, my mother's. So poets, or for every child, a mother's face is a sweet face. That was before I was born. So at that time, the poet was not born, as the poetess mother was only 12 years old. She was not married, and the poet was not born. And the sea, which appears to have changed less, washed their terribly transient feet. In the photograph, the poet noticed that the sea, which appears to have changed less, sea has not changed. Nature takes a great time in changing, and washed their terribly transient feet. Terribly, very much, transient, temporary feet. There refers to the feet of the three girls. So here a comparison is made between sea and human beings. Human beings' life changed so quickly if we compare it to the nature or sea. Some 20-30 years later, she would laugh at the snapshot if she was alive, if she were alive. But she is not there. The poet is just imagining that if her mother were alive, she could see at the snapshot this photograph and she could have laughed. And she would have said, see Betty and Dolly. Betty and Dolly are the name of the two cousins who were younger than poet's mother. See Betty and Dolly, she would say, and look how they dressed us for the beach. Means if she were alive, she would have definitely appreciated her parents for dressing them so good for the beach. But अभी वो है नहीं, she is no more. अगर वो होती तो appreciate करती. The sea holiday was her past, mine is her laughter. अगर मदर होती तो उनके लिए सी हॉलीडे पास्ट ही होता. इट कैन नॉट बी देयर, शी कैन नॉट गो बैक टू हर चाइल्डहुड. So it would have been a past for mothers, but for now, at present, for poet, her mother's laughter is past, because her mother is no more. She can't see her mother laughing, so it's her past. Both wry with the labored ease of loss. Both mother and the poet wry means being worried, anxious, with the labored ease of loss. जो उनको लॉस हुआ है उसको ईज करने के लिए उनको बहुत लेबर करनी पड़ती, पोइट को करनी पड़ रही है. शी हैज़ टू मेक ग्रेट एफर्ट्स कि वो इस चीज़ को ईजी ले सके, बट दिस लॉस इज़ अनबेरेबल. लास्ट लाइन्स. नाउ शी हैज़ बीन डेड नियरली एज मैनी ईयर्स एज दैट गर्ल लिव्ड. सो शी सेज कि अब उसकी मदर की डेथ हुए उतना टाइम हो गया है जितना टाइम इस फोटोग्राफ वाली गर्ल की है, मीन्स 12 years. Her mother was 12 years old when she went for a sea holiday, and now 12 years have passed to her mother's death. And of this circumstance to this situation, there is nothing to say at all. When you are so upset, you don't want to talk to anyone. Similarly, poet is so upset that she says that at this circumstance, what I am feeling right now, I don't have anything to say. Its silence silences. It refers to of photograph. Photograph is silent. Of course, a picture is silent. The silence in the photograph is making the poet silent. Means she is so upset that she is silenced. Photograph can not make anybody silent. It's personification, a figure of speech used here. So this was the poem.